Let's look at chord inversions in the key of C now, right? First thing first, you want to make sure that you learn your chords from 1 up to 7 in the key of C, which is going to be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then with both hands, it's going to be your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's look at the chord inversions in the key of C, right? We're still in the key of C. Now first let's look at your 1. It's gonna be your root chord, first inversion, the second inversion. Let's move to 2, root chord, first inversion, second inversion. Let's move to 3, root chord, first inversion, second inversion. Move to 4, root chord, first inversion, second inversion. Move to 5, root chord, first inversion, second inversion. And then 6, root chord, first inversion, second inversion in the key of 6. Now the last one is 7. 7, root chord, okay, first inversion, second inversion. Let's do this again. Root chord, first inversion, second inversion, root chord of 2, first inversion, root chord of 3, first inversion, second inversion, root chord of 4, first inversion, second inversion. We're moving to 5 now. Root chord of 5, first inversion, second inversion. Now moving to 6, root chord, first inversion, second inversion. The last one, 7, first inversion, root chord of 7, 7, yes, first inversion, and then second inversion of 7. Now let's look at how we can use these inversions, right, to play the songs in progression. When we're doing the scale of C, when we're learning only the root chord, we did the Awesome God song. Now let's do Yeshua, right? Yeah, Yeshua. So you see that I'm playing the second version of 6 instead of playing the root chord. This is the root chord, but now I'm going into the second version. Yeshua. See now what I'm playing. I'm playing the second inversion of 5. Second inversion of six. So I can use the root chord of that second inversion. Um, there are no rules unless if you're MD strict. As long as it sounds right, or it can. So it can be there, or it can be there. It can be. Right. I hope you learned something, and yeah, keep on practicing. Make sure that you get your fingers used to, playing the chords inversions, play around them whenever you're playing songs instead of just playing your songs using the root chords. Add your inversions there, they make a huge difference. And yeah, I hope this helps.